Hi, everybody, again. I would like to continue my topic on solution of linear systems. If you remember in the previous uh, video, we have touched upon the topic uh, of solution of linear systems by method of substitution. So we have seen some few exercises on some few problems on solution using this method. We mentioned that uh, we solve the linear systems by substituting or by replacing one variable with another one. So now we are going to continue with another method, which is called solution by elimination method. From my point of view, this method is one of the brilliant methods which is introduced by Gauss, the famous mathematician. And this method is called elimination. If you can see, elimination means eliminate one or two variables. So we are ready to eliminate the variables to decrease the number of variables in the system. So if we have two variables, x and y, by method of elimination, we eliminate one and we get only one variable. So this method is useful for solution of different problems. Now let's start and try to understand how we do this method, how we apply this method. The first exercise, let's start from the first one, is kind of x plus y equals to, for example, 5, and x minus y is equals to 7. Let's try to solve this system. If you look at these two equations, you can see that if we add side by side, let's write here x plus y equals to 5. I'm writing here separately. X minus y equals to 7. So if we add them side by side, we are going to get these y's cancel. So we have here 2x, x plus x 2x. These y's are canceled. We get 5 plus 7, which is 12. So obviously 2x equals to 12, x equals to 6. So if x equals to 6, we can find easily y by substituting either here instead of x, or by substituting either here instead of x. So let's use it in the first one. So 6 plus y is equals to 5. From here we get y equals to 5 minus 6 and y equals to negative 1. So you can see we have the pair of solution x6 and negative 1, which satisfies both of them. You can check 6 plus minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 7. So both of the equations are satisfied with this pair. Now let's continue with another case. Let's suppose this time we have such a different exercise. So 3x minus y equals to 8. 2x plus y equals to 7. Again, by adding side by side, seemingly we are going to cancel these y's. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. These y's are canceled, so we get 0 equals 8 plus 7, you see it's 15. So we get 5x equals to 15. Directly we get the answer for x, it's 3. So if we have 3, again, we can use either in the first equation or in the second equation. Let's use the first one. So 3 times 3 is 3x. 3 times 3 minus y equals to 8. So from here we get y equals to 9 minus 8. Y equals to 1. So we have got the pair of solutions 3, 1. Do not forget x comes first and y comes the second. So now let's see a little bit more challenging case with elimination method. This time, again, see 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y equals to 6. X minus 2y equals to 10. Again, by adding side by side, we get these two y's are cancelled. 3x plus 3x is 4x equals 6 plus 10 is 16. So x equals to 4. We get x equals to 4. In the meantime, we can find from both of them, any of them, we can find the same y. So 3 times 4 plus 2y equals to 6. I substitute in the first one, but you can check the second one also. 12 plus 2y equals to 6. So 2y equals to negative 6. Y equals to negative 3. So we have the 4 and negative 3 here, which is the solution for solution pair for this linear system. Now let's do another one. I would say more challenging one. 3x plus 2y. Okay, let's write. The 3x plus 2y equals 7. 8x plus 7y equals to, you can see 12. Well, if we add or subtract side by side, there is nothing to see. So we are going to have a problem if we add side by side here, because seemingly there is nothing to cancel. So not any variable is canceled here. But how to solve it? I would suggest to multiply the sides here with different numbers. For example, let's multiply the first equation, both sides of first equation by, let's say, by negative 7. Let's see what happens. I multiply by negative 7, so it is minus 21x minus 14y equals to minus 49. And in the meantime, I multiply the second equation by 2. Why I choose these numbers? Because I can see 2y times 7 is 14y. And 7y times 2 is again 14y. So we can get a reasonable case to be able to cancel the variables. So if we multiply by 2, we are going to get 16x plus 14y equals to 24. Do not forget, we multiply both sides, the same number. Now let's try to add. Minus 21x plus 16x is going to be minus 5x. And you can see this time we can well cancel here. And minus 49 plus 24 will obviously give us minus 25. So directly we get x equals to 5 from here. Now let's come back to any of these equations. Let's try the first one to find y here. So 3 times 5 plus 2y equals to 7. So 15 plus 2y equals to 7. 2y equals to 7 minus 15. And later on, y equals to 2y equals to negative 8. Y equals to negative 4. So obviously we have got such a pair of solutions. 5, x comes first, and y negative 4. This pair is our solution. Or sometimes you can just write x equals to 5 and y equals to negative 4. I hope you enjoyed these two videos, two methods. We are going, in our next lesson, we are going to talk about how to solve the linear systems with method of this graphical method. So we are going to graph the lines and find the points of intersection. But you can see what I suggest to focus mainly on elimination method. This is one of the best methods to solve linear systems. However, my second advice, still better to know everything, still better to learn every method here. So do not forget to subscribe and to share the videos, and looking forward to hearing your feedbacks or comments on the video. See you, bye, take care, guys.